Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand emphasized the need to restore peace in the state, saying progress cannot be achieved in its absence. He also reaffirmed its commitment to the welfare of all communities. The Chief Minister was speaking at his reception ceremony organized by BJP Kumbi Mandal at Salan Konjal in Bishnupur district. The event was also attended by Kumbi Constituency MLA S. Premchandra, Thanga Constituency MLA T. Ravindro and DC Bishnupur District Pooja Ilangbam. Speaking further, Khemchand suggested that bringing peace is the only resolution to the ongoing crisis. He noted that persistent animosity had hindered the rebuilding of trust between the warring communities, preventing them from moving safely into each other's areas. The Chief Minister asserted that the people from Kuki communities had started coming to Meitei-dominated areas and Meiteis could also enter Zomi-dominated areas, although displaced persons from Churchandpur, More and Imphal were yet to resettle in their original homes. Asserting that the bridge connecting Suknu and Napad will be constructed within 5 days, he expressed belief that displaced persons from Napad could be resettled in their original homes once it is completed. He assured that rehabilitation and developmental works could be carried out under relevant central government schemes, and the road section from Moirang to Wangu passing through Kumbi will also be repaired within 15 days.
Safe zone Haragadi, Maitaina Tabazagada, Hex Sangwadi Kasukaidre, Wakoisu, with zombies in the Tabazagada, with Sang Kasukaidi, Hanjanari, Adu, Mapumoina, Surachalpur, More, Amadi, Impalgi, Very Peritalamba, Uki, Sinausin, Miasu, Hanjan the lady, Adu, Sasan Nebisi Lakpataragadi, Abe Puni, Kutabadi, Aduna, and a Tamjarisi, with Manipuri. Santi Portana, Ngabiaroi, Wangu Sapatana, Manipur Sakopearoi, Adana Wangu, our Pakudima, a Matek Pakuyausage, Hajarakanda, a Punamaki, Luciana, we are Lobsage,